The Kuper KFL Ecofoil 1600 line, an innovative foil wrapping machine, impresses with its user-friendliness and efficiency. We offer both a fully automated integration into the product line and a solution for manual application. Kuper Flexible. After selecting the program, the packing pieces are ordered and positioned at the stacking station, one on top of another. A continuous pre-alignment ensures clean stacking. After the stacking station, the package is prepared for foliation. The insert mechanism finally aligns the package, creating an absolutely perfect stack. The sturdy construction makes for particularly rigid packaging units. The end product, which is packed particularly close and airtight, is easy and safe to stack. It also fares very well when subjected to considerable stresses in transportation. Products, which lie one behind the other, can also be efficiently stacked and packed. An integrated fault recognition minimizes the number of complaints and guarantees high productivity and a considerable cost saving. The distance between the individual process steps increases performance and process safety. The consequences of this is fewer outages and greater output. A wide pressure pad supports the tightening of the sleeve stretch foil around the product. Tension-free welding and a continuously connected seam offer the best tensile strength. The clearly laid out user interface guarantees a secure and comfortable operation of the system with a particularly short induction time. Programs can be switched easily and safely at any time via the expandable formula library, Kuper Intelligent. After selecting a new program, the machine is immediately ready for packaging the next product. Very thin panels, such as those seen here, require care and precision. The exceptional flexibility of the KFL Ecofoil also guarantees a particularly high economic benefit here too. The pressure pad moves quickly and precisely to the desired welding position. A special clamping system in the mechanism provides tension-free welding and holds the seam securely. The film is then cut off using a motor-driven safety knife. Kuper Precise. The film can be effortlessly exchanged. First of all, the required change of roll is displayed by an automated signal. The space-saving film shelf with 4 components and the good accessibility of the rolls and components guarantees a simple and safe adjustment of the machine. The integrated film welding station links the current roll to the new one. A manual cutting facility ultimately provides an uncomplicated and secure cut. It goes without saying that motorized cutting components are part of the Kuper range. The standard Kuper modular setup offers a high degree of flexibility and individual adjustment options. Depending on requirement, various widths, drawers, systems, and walk-on platforms can be added. This therefore guarantees an individually tailored solution for your area of application. It is also fit for the future. Kuper packaging systems can be extended, adjusted, and upgraded at any time. Kuper Modular. The Kuper KFL Ecofoil 1600 line combines the best of both worlds, efficiency and operating comfort, increases the satisfaction of employees and raises productivity. Kuper Power for your business.